Finding the best Spotify equalizer settings can completely transform how your music sounds. Getting to it is pretty straightforward. Just click your profile picture in the top right corner of Spotify, hit Settings, then scroll down to the playback section where you'll find the equalizer option. Click that and you're in. Now here's where it gets interesting. Spotify actually gives you presets that make sense instead of just random settings that do nothing. The pop preset really makes vocals jump out because it boosts those mid and high frequencies. Rock music needs more oomph though, perfect for when you're jamming to classic rock or metal. Hip-hop is all about those beats hitting hard, right? That preset knows this and emphasizes the deep bass while keeping the highs crisp enough that you can still understand every word. The jazz preset adds just enough bass emphasis to make everything feel natural and present, like the musicians are actually playing in your room. Classical music is tricky because you don't want to mess with the natural dynamics too much. Sometimes none of these work for your taste or your headphones though. That's when you build your own custom setting. And honestly, this is where you can really dial things in. Those sliders on the left control your bass frequencies under 250 Hz. Boost these if you want your drums and bass to have more impact. The middle sliders handle everything from 250 Hz to 4 kHz, which is basically where vocals and most instruments live. This is your sweet spot for making voices clear and guitars present. The sliders on the right control the high frequencies above 4 kHz, and bumping these up gives you more detail in cymbals and makes vocals brighter. I found that a good starting point for custom settings is boosting the bass slightly at 60 and 150 Hz, then adding a small bump around 3 kHz for vocal clarity, and lifting the highest frequencies just a bit for some sparkle. This creates what sounds like a smile curve, and it works well across different genres. Your headphones make a huge difference in how all this sounds. Cheap earbuds usually need more treble just to sound decent, while expensive studio headphones often sound best with minimal adjustments since they're already pretty accurate. Try different settings with different playlists. You might be surprised how much better your favorite songs can sound with the right adjustments.